Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to balance these flywheels. So we got this thing, which I have no idea what it is or what it does, which he will explain now.
That's what I need right there. I can explain the shit.
Alright, so we're just going to watch him do it.
We don't use these.
We don't use those.
We don't need that right now.
Don't need that.
We do need this.
We do need that.
We need this.
And we might need that.
This needs to go in here. It needs to go like that. And I need that crescent wrench over there.
Right. Tighten that down.
You can tighten it down. I'm going to check it. And make sure you put the right end on there. See, that's why you check shit, because you did it wrong.
How do you do it wrong?
How I do it wrong? I didn't do it
wrong.
No,
how did I do it wrong?
Do you notice that that is not very working very well?
Ah, there you go.
See, these are different tapers.
Oh, okay, so there's 4 different tapers on that thing then.
No, there's 2 different tapers.
Well,
and then we have a mark. The mark goes up.
Mark goes up.
That way it will repeat, maybe. Because if the shaft is screwed up, at least I put in the same every time.
Yep.
It might repeat. Then you take a nut, you tighten your nut. That tightens it up on the taper. Now you gotta make sure the nut is away from where the weight goes, so the weight will fit in there. See that flat spot right there? Yeah, just so it has room to fit in there. And you put that mark all the way up. See, real close there?
Yep.
Tight tolerances. And next time I make the weight, I gotta make the weight taller and smaller. Remember
Taller and smaller.
that way it'll clear the nut. Don't forget.
Easier.
They say easier, I said it clears the nut.
Completely.
We don't care about easy, we care about fitting. Okay, that much pressure.
Not too much.
About 10.5. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so now we got a flywheel waiting to be trued.
Alright.
Here you go.
So this is the fancy truing stand.
Yep. So we gotta clean the dust off even though they were covered. And this goes over here. And make sure it clears there. And that tells you where the high spots are at. In this case, the heavy spot. So where do you think the heavy spot is?
Probably at the bottom where the weight is. Because that's where it seems like it's...
Why would the weight be heavy on the bottom?
Because it's heavier than the top.
Is that because gravity is pushing down on it hard?
Exactly.
Oh. Does that change if I go to Korea?
Yes, it does. It's science. Science.
Where do I put this?
Over there.
Somewhere out of the way?
Probably on that thing.
It's out of the way for now.
So what are you doing over here?
I am working. Somebody damaged my tool.
Terrible what they've done to you.
That's not dead flat now. I'm going to have to put that back in the milling machine and make it flat here a few more times from now. Well, I did machine this block flat. It's square too, so you put a square in it, square. Within 5 thousandths anyway. Laughing at me for. It's true. I need a drill. Does that look like a drill? Any holes in that thing? There we go. That's about the right size. Maybe I'll use this one. That's the one. That's the official drill.
That's the official drill?
Yeah, it's the same size, see?
Gotcha.
See what happens if you put the drill in there? It becomes heavy on the other side.
Gotcha. So we need to make it sure that it just...
So we don't drill deeper there.
No, we don't. We drill deeper over here.
Oh, that way we do it.
Right?
And how far off is it? So it's that far. How far off that is? You got interrupted again.
Gosh, dang it.
Circles. You were playing with that while I was gone, didn't you?
Yeah, of course.
So then we'll go over here and work. Ooh, look at that.
So this is the heavy duty drill.
It's not as heavy as the mill.
Yeah, but this is a pull press.
This will go right through that wood. See what happens when we use my tools?
Rude.
Bastards. This piece over here was full of river one too. It disappeared. There used to be a 2x4 in there full of holes.
It's right there.
Here it is. That's what this tool is for. Not the expensive tool. I didn't machine that one before. Is it still going? Man, must not be that far off. Alright, so we gotta figure out where we're gonna drill. We're gonna drill the bottom, but not next to the crank pin. Because we don't want to weaken the flywheel. Looks like it's fairly even.
Well, it looks like there's already a drill mark right here.
I don't know, I'm not looking at it yet. Okay, now we gotta figure out how much there is. That's not that much to drill, so okay. Now, if we drill right through here, we might have some issues.
Because it'll mess with our timing.
We will lose the timing marks.
Yeah.
So if we flip it over this side, we got access to work.
Yes.
So we got a hole here,
Mm-hmm.
a hole here. Oh, there's no hole over here yet.
No hole yet.
So yet is the key word. And there's room for holes right here. Do not drill right through here because it could crack when somebody over tightens that nut right there.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody would do that here.
Nobody would do that here.
You know, not over tighten nuts. So it could split the flywheel. So we don't drill through his area. We only drill over here on the sides where it doesn't matter.
Gotcha.
And you got to make sure you drill through this part, not through this part. So that means you have to drill near the edge, kind of like what that guy did. We'll just put a couple more right here, and one more right here, like that guy. And we'll have a whole bunch of holes in here.
And it'll be balanced.
Eventually.
So it won't shake around.
Now, I don't know if my drill press will go that low. Ooh, it does. Look at that. It's easy, I have my drill press higher. There, that's better. Alright, so now we can go ahead and drill some holes. Start you like. There's a hole there.
Gotcha.
There's a hole right next to it, but not right next to it. Make sure you're not too close to the outside because you gotta beat the shit out with a big hammer. Go the same depth up here. See? Same depth right there. We're going to do the same thing on this side. And try to put it in the same spot. He's close. You don't have to be perfect, but close helps. Here, just like the other side. Alright. At some point I gotta stop, we might go too much.
Then it would become unbalanced.
It would be balanced in a different area, a different RPM.
So what did you balance this for specifically now?
Sportster.
Oh, would you look at that?
I almost went too much, but not quite.
That's so crazy. So do you have like already set how much you would have to take out to balance it out?
No, I just do it by, just play with it. It's a little off still, but it's close. It's gonna get worse to get deeper roll those holes yet, which will change the balance factor. It'll make it too heavy on this side now. Right now it's going that way. So it's heavier now right over here.
Yeah.
We got no holes there though. So let's put a hole right there now.
So right about, yeah.
Maybe. But first I'm going to deburr these.
All right.
We took out too much. You shouldn't have cut so much. You overdid it.
Oh well.
You were watching, you should have told me, stop! You're cutting too much.
Should have.
Damn it.
What have I done?
Screwed it all up.
Ruined a perfectly good flywheel.
That's right. So now I'm about to get a little exercise here. Repentance.
Do you need any special tools? Do you need that thing over there?
Just an arm. No, I'm going to do some deburring.
Hey.
I'm going to get some more now. I deburr everything because I don't like cutting myself.
There you go.
Harley's holes. You blow all the chips out, especially the ones that get caught up under here. The ones that get caught in there will affect the balance. Okay, now we got to figure out where it's going to be heavy at. Any imperfection or dirt will make this change. So that's why I shake it a little bit. Trying to find a spot where it's at. See, right now it's kind of like in that spot. So we'll go back over here again. That's how it keeps going now. At some point we'll go the other direction. Now it's going back the other way. Okay, something kind of in the middle. Turn it 90 degrees and we see how much air we got. So our air is that much. See how much air that is? It's a lot, isn't it?
A lot of air.
A lot of air. So we're going to go ahead and put a little hole right here, and that should bring it back a little bit. Making that move. I took a lot off, see?
Got to be careful with that. I got to deburr it.
No, I don't, because I didn't cut deeper than the drill.
Oh, okay.
Smart.
So it's already deburred.
Yeah.
It deburred itself.
Yeah, but if I go deeper, I'll have to deburr it. Did it move?
Nope.
If I go over here. Ooh, it's still a little heavy. If you go over here. Because I want to go. If you go over here. Look at how much metal that was. It's a lot. Can't move. Just thinking about it.
Going down a little.
Yep. Let's get some momentum going.
And it stops.
Yeah, it stopped.
So that's good, right?
Well, it stopped right in one spot. It stopped right here. So that means you need to drill twice as much out of this one as this one to bring it there. You split it. And we're going to wind up having to deburr that corner. We're running out of drill size. Yep. Right there. It's close.
Close.
Ooh. Got way too much. See what happened?
Yeah, now it's moving more.
I screwed up. This is called chasing your tail. So now it's off. Let's right here where that hole is. We already got a hole to play with. Just check it in the whole circle.
Well, ding dang.
So now it's not moving, so there's something wrong with it. So now it'll run like this for a while because it's balanced. It's only going to slow down from the drag on the bearings. Or until it falls off the end of the shaft here. It's slowly going that way, very slowly, but about in a minute it'll fall off the edge.
Well, that's awesome.
So if you want to know how close it is, so you can do this with it, see.
Ooh.
How many RPM you turn on that?
Mm-hmm.
See, it's not slowing down much.
No, not at all.
It's pretty close. Okay, next one.